Alright, so believe it or not, it's actually an hour after my last video. So turns out that I didn't end up going to work, and that my little stunt of me hopping on the sidewalk and shit got me in trouble. Go figure. So I guess those people that I passed that were in the suits and stuff, they're actually like pins, so they're actually my boss. So they saw me, they're like, yeah, send him home. So now I'm technically quote unquote under investigation, whatever the fuck that means. Some people, bro, they're just a bunch of fucking pussies. But that's cool. I had other stuff I gotta do anyway, so now I'm gonna go to a drugstore, get my app 235 and go from there. I get to go home and play Modern Warfare, so I'm actually kind of happy about that. I should be a little bit worried, but I'm not really that worried. Luckily, since I was filming, I caught that shit on camera, and I ended up asking like 2 or 3 people, and they're like, I mean, I don't see anything wrong, but what they were basically telling me is possibly one of 2 things is gonna happen. I'm either gonna get, they said most likely, if anything, I would just get transferred. So that kind of puts me at ease, because I wouldn't technically be losing my job. I would just be getting pushed to a new site. But then again, at the same time, you know, I mean, it's my job. But if anything, I mean, hey, fuck it, different place. And then I can come to the campus and ride wherever I please. 0 fucks. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little dark. I have a tinted ass fucking visor. Weather, so I mean that's kind of nice, because it was supposed to drop down to like 40. It's like 60 right now, so I guess that's kind of okay. I mean, and I'm supposed to have an answer back tomorrow, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take care of this at Q35 stuff, and then I'm gonna go home, apply for UPS, you know, just in case, because you gotta have that back end, and go from there. I think if I did start working at UPS again, I don't think I would really mind that much, because I already have a good idea of like what I'm supposed to be doing there and shit. So it shouldn't be that bad, and then I'll just do Uber and shit on the side. I'm gonna have to really push myself in order to do it though. That's the only thing. Bike lane. Oh, I love having a bike. Yeah, 3 down. knock out those 2 things, go home, and then that's it. I might have to hit the gym, to be honest. Fucking popped the wheelie there. Holy shit. Thankfully, these stem tracks should be coming out, so that's gonna help me a little bit. You know, a little bit of rent, that type of shit. You know the basic essentials. I was planning on buying a new helmet. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a new helmet anymore. I know for sure I'm gonna end up buying like a microphone. But that's it, to be honest. That's it for today. Gonna go in. I gotta get a physical, so I need to get a physical so that I can get my Act 235. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going in there to set it up. I'm gonna go in here, set it up, and then from there wait for the appointment. I think from what I was told, I think the earliest is Sunday, so that works out because it's Sunday. There shouldn't be that much traffic and it'll be early. So that helps as well. And then after that, I mean, I get Monday and Tuesday off, and then I start doing my rover thing. And if anything, I mean, I'll still be working, doing security. I think for sure something that I need to start doing, if I really want this YouTube thing to work, is I feel like I need to promote my stuff a lot more. I don't feel like just putting in tags and stuff, it's not enough, because I've kind of seen a decrease in performance. The very first video that I did, where it's called like first bike video, moto business type shit, when I did that one, I put a post on Instagram, and it definitely has more views than me just throwing it up there. So I think what I'm gonna have to do today is I'm gonna have to like make a post like, yeah, yo, if you have one for, and then you know, go watch them, that basic ass shit. And I lost the dog. Fuck. I can't believe I lost the puppy. No. Man. It was right here. Oh man, I knew putting it here was a bad idea. Fuck, that makes me sad. I didn't even have the guy for that long. Fuck. I feel like I have to go back and look for it. I have to. I gotta go back and look for it. I'm gonna do this thing and then I have to go look for it. What did I do? I was on... Fuck, dude, I don't remember where I was. Alright, well, to save battery, I'm gonna end this shit here. I'm gonna go do this physical, and then I'm gonna see if I can find the low Hoover. Alright, so I got good news. So, I just got done, you know, I got my shit scheduled, and now the next step is to find Mr. Pupper. Yo, I think I know where he is. I know where he is. I fucking looked back on the GoPro footage and I saw where he fell. I'm about to go rescue this little shit, bro. I'm definitely not putting him back on the side. He's going straight onto the keys. I gotta speed there. Gotta go rescue. Let me see. Dude, I know exactly where the fuck he is. Fuck the law right now, bro. Gotta go rescue my little doggy. Dude. Thank God I was filming. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I know it's an inanimate object, but I was a little bit fucking upset. I was like, dude, come on. Let me just... Little stoppy. Alright, I'm very positive it's this one. So we're gonna turn here. Dude, I hope he's still there. If he's still there, dude, I'm gonna be so happy. Let me see. It was right after the Wawa. Let me see. Oh my god, I'm about to be, this is about to make my night. Had a mascot for a day and I fucking lost him already. The thing is that I think it would have worked right there if it was strong, if it was more strongly held down, because I just used like weak ass fucking Velcro zip ties and those aren't like exactly the tightest. If anything, it was more secure right here. Come on. This is a rescue mission right now. Let's go. Let me see CVS. And then there's the Wawa. Dude, this is about to be it right here. Nice and slow. From right, it should be right here. Unless somebody picked them up. Oh, he got dog napped. He did not. Dude, he got dog napped. Let me see. There's no way. Dude, no fucking way. I fucking found him. Holy shit. Oh, dude, I thought he got fucking dog napped. Wait, now where the fuck are my gloves? This place and everything. All right, cool. No, what the fuck? Where are my gloves? I done dropped my gloves now. Shit. I didn't drop them. They were in my back pocket. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Oh, dude. That makes me so happy. All right, well, my GoPro battery is about to die. So this is sort of a good thing to end on. So I'm going to end it here, and hopefully I will be back tomorrow with a update. So hope you guys enjoyed this little rescue mission, and I will catch you guys in the next one.